President, Mr. Special Rapporteur, I would like to call your attention to the dire conditions faced by ethnic and religious minorities in Vietnam. We have documented at least 2,000 households, totaling about 10,000 individuals of Hmong and Montagnard being denied the most basic rights of citizens because of their Christian faith. This could be just the tip of an enormous iceberg yet to be discovered. The Hmong population forms an indigenous minority in the northwestern mountainous region of Vietnam. Hmong Christians have been ordered to renounce their faith, and those who resisted were evicted from their villages. Thousands of them migrated to other provinces where they formed new communities in uninhabited areas, usually at the edge of the jungle. Local governments do not register them as legal residents. Without registration, they cannot apply for citizenship ID cards. Married couples are not issued marriage certificates. Children are not issued birth certificates. Most of these children are not admitted into school. Without citizenship ID cards, the Hmong and the Montagnard Christians cannot get employment, apply for a business license, open a bank account, or even use public library. They do not have access to public benefits, social welfare, public health care. In brief, they are not treated as citizens in their own country. We consider them stateless. Montagnard are indigenous people living in the Central Highlands. Thousands of Montagnard Christians face a similar situation. I respectfully ask that the Special Rapporteur works with other UN mandates to ensure that the government of Vietnam promptly, effectively, and fairly resolves the stateless status of these Hmong and Montagnard Christians and immediately end its policy of forced renunciation of faith. Je vous remercie, Monsieur le Président, et Monsieur le Rapporteur.